Need to formally offer additional services or expedited options to your buyers after they've placed an order? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to send gig extras that enhance your service and increase your earnings per order. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Gig extras allow you to provide additional value to your buyers while appropriately charging for extra work. Offering them correctly ensures clarity and professionalism in your transactions. Let me guide you through the process. First, navigate to the order page of the specific project where you want to offer extras. Look for the Offer Extra or Add Extra Service button, usually located near the order details or in the order management menu. Select the appropriate extra from your pre-configured gig extras or create a new custom extra if needed. Choose extras that genuinely enhance the buyer's experience, such as faster delivery, additional revisions, or supplementary services. Clearly explain the value of each extra in your message to the buyer. Instead of just stating the price, describe how this extra will benefit them. For example, the express delivery extra will ensure you receive your files 3 days earlier, perfect for your tight deadline. Set a reasonable price that reflects the additional work or expedited timeline. Ensure your pricing is consistent with your gig's rate structure and provides fair compensation for the extra effort required. A crucial pro tip: always wait for the buyer to accept and pay for the extra before beginning the additional work. This prevents misunderstandings and ensures you're compensated for your extra effort. Also, consider offering bundled extras at a slight discount to encourage buyers to purchase multiple add-ons. And just like that, you're maximizing your order value while providing buyers with exactly the services they need. Strategic use of gig extras enhances customer satisfaction and boosts your earnings. If this guide helps you effectively manage gig extras, please give it a like. What's your most popular gig extra and why do you think buyers love it? Share your experiences in the comments below. To continue mastering order fulfillment, subscribe for our next video on how to complete a Fiverr order. Thanks for watching.